How to change display name on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change your display name on Roblox, launch your Roblox application or just search for roblox.com in a browser. Once you are logged into your Roblox, tap on the More icon in your left hand side. From here, select on the profile icon. Tap on Edit Profile. In here, select the pencil icon next to the display name. Now you can just remove the current display name and enter a latest one of your preference. Once you have typed in, select on the Save button to change your display name on your Roblox. Mind it, you can only change your display name once in every 7 days. So be very sure of the display name that you want to edit into. By this way, you'll be able to easily change your display name on Roblox. Check out help and support if you cannot follow this tutorial along to see if there is any issue regarding it. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.